Hi guys, this is Maliki from Information Technology. Today I have got another video for you, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can find the Wi-Fi password for all the network that you have connected on your Windows 10 operating system. So why don't we jump right into this? So first of all, I'm gonna show you which network I'm currently connected to. So for that, let's go to this Wi-Fi icon, right click on it, and then go to Open Network and Internet Settings. So as you can see here, I'm currently connected to this Galaxy M31s, which is my mobile phone, and I'm currently using my mobile data to surf the internet on my computer. Now let's go to the CMD command box. For that, let's click on Windows Start icon, and then we can search for CMD. One thing to keep in mind is that we need to run the command prompt as an administrator, so we will be able to see all the password of the Wi-Fi that we have ever connected using this computer. So for that, let's right click on the command prompt and click on Run as Administrator. Once the command prompt is opened as administrator, what you need to do is you need to copy this command and then paste it in the command prompt. So I just copied this command, and now let's go to the command prompt and then paste it in here. So the command is netsh space wlan space show space profile. I will also put this command under the description of this video, so you can just copy and paste this command to your CMD. So once you type the command, let's press enter, and it's going to show you all the networks that you have ever connected to using this operating system. So here, as you can see, my recent network that I've connected to is Galaxy M31s. Before that, I've been connected to this network, and then recently I have also been connected to the Dorset Hotel Shepherd's Bush, and this is the network that I've connected to in my office. I also connected to iPhone, TP-Link, Zia Maliki, Ilyas Feroz iPhone, Zell Hack Wi-Fi, and Maliki. So if you have connected to multiple networks, the list of all the network will come in here, and it will show you in here in this command prompt. So now that I have the list of the network that I have been connected to, now I'm ready to give the second command, and for that, let's go back to our notepad again and copy this code. Let's right click on it and then choose copy. After that, we will go back to our command prompt and then paste the code in here. So the code is netsh space wlan space export space profile space folder equal to c colon backslash space key equal to clear. So all the password related files will be saved into this C directory, and if you want to change the location of this folder, you can change the location from here as well. But we are happy with the location, and hence we will press the enter button on our keyboard. As you can see, multiple files have been created in here, which shows the password for specific Wi-Fi that I have connected to in the past. And it says interface profile Galaxy M31s is saved in file in this location. And the same with all other networks that I have ever been connected to using this operating system. So now let's go to our C directory and find the files and also the password for all these networks that we have been connected to. Let's open the file explorer, and once we open that, let's go to the C drive, double click on the C drive, and then in here, as you can see, we are currently in the C drive, and here there is the list of all the Wi-Fi's that I have been connected to. So for example, I want to see the password for my recent Wi-Fi, which is Wi-Fi Galaxy M31s. So what I will do, I will right click on it, and then I will choose open with notepad. And then once you do that, it will open up this notepad file. Once it opens up the notepad, you need to look for a line that says key material. Whatever is between these two key material tags, that is the password for your Wi-Fi. So the password for the network that I connected to in the past for Galaxy M31s is Zia Maliki. And the same way we can go through other files and open them up with the notepad and find out the password for that. So this is the password for the Wi-Fi EAA second floor. That is my office Wi-Fi. So if you want to see the password for other Wi-Fi that you have been connected in the past, you can the same way click on them and open them with notepad, and then whatever is inside these key material tags, that is the password for that related Wi-Fi network. So this is how you can find the password for all the networks and Wi-Fi that you have been connected using your Windows 10 operating system. Alright, so please give this video a thumbs up if you learned something from this tutorial. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more technology video in the future. Till next time, it's goodbye from us.